Hey guys, this is a Bumblebee Camaro. Don't mind the wires. The wires are gonna be for the headlights. But today I'm gonna show you guys how I mount the button inside here, so you don't have to click at the bottom. So the bottom has no buttons. So to turn on the light, you just click the windshield. See how the windshield goes in? Let's get a zoom in. See how the windshield's able to go in, and that clicks the button. So let me open this up here, and if you can see here, this is glued on, this is glued on, and this is cut. And this is the button right here, which is below here. And when you press on the windshield, that's what it's doing. So it's able to go down. Like that. So that's where the battery is mounted. And that's where the speaker is mounted. The speaker is glued here to hold onto the axles. So what you're going to do is you're going to glue the switch here so the windshield could press down on it. And to make sure the button is the right height with movement, when you put the chassis on, the button's a little bit long. So what you would have to do is you would have to trim the button little by little, and then try it again, put the chassis on, try it, doesn't work. If it's holding it up, go back and trim it a little, and then try it again over and over until you get the right height with the chassis on, with everything on, I should say, until you get the button to have that travel. So when you put it together here, sometimes you might have to cut or shave this down so that way you get the bounciness of this, of the internals. So you have that little movement. And when you put the windshield back, it sits on that switch. Put the chassis up there. Windshield to the chassis, and the interior to the chassis, and the base. And that's how you make the button inside. Of course, the charger port's still gonna have to be down here, but that's for charging. But while playing, you just have to do that to turn on the lights. That's it, guys. I hope that helps you guys figure out where to put the button. And again, subscribe and like and share the videos, and I'll try to make more videos of how I do stuff here going forward. I've been just too busy making kits, so that's why I don't really have time to make videos, but I'll try to do my best to give you guys these little tips. And again, thank you for all your support.